How to speed up clip. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Right-click on your clip and select speed/duration. Set the speed to a higher value. I put 300 so the video 3 times faster, and click OK. Let's undo changes. One more time, open speed/duration. And change speed to 300, but this time set time interpolation to optical flow, then click OK. Now select the clip and press enter to render it. This makes the speedup run much smoother. Now let's undo changes once more by pressing ctrl+Z. Let's say you want only a part of your clip to speed up and not the whole clip. To achieve that, with razor tool, cut wherever you want. Then with selection tool, select the middle clip and once more open speed/duration and set the speed to 300. This time make sure ripple edit shifting trailing clips is checked to bring the third part of clip back in timeline, and set time interpolation to optical flow as well, and click OK. Let's undo changes once more. This time add a sound to your clip as well. Select both of them and press Ctrl+R. This time do everything as before but check the Maintain Audio Pitch checkbox, then click OK. If checking Maintain Audio Pitch make your audio sound weird, one thing you can do is drag the audio to any place else, then speed up your video, and then drag it back to its place. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.